Hello students, welcome to your SST class. Now we begin with module 2 of Geography chapter 2, the impenetrable depths. In module 1, we learned some facts about the earth and the main layers of the earth. In module 2, we will discuss about rocks and minerals, types of rocks, formation of rocks, and finally rock cycle. So let's get started. Children, as we know, the lithosphere is made of rocks. Rocks are made of one or more minerals. Example, granite, limestone, sandstone. Minerals are solid substances which have a definite chemical composition. Quartz, mica, calcite, etc. are a few examples of minerals. Rocks can be classified into three categories. First one, igneous rocks. Second one, sedimentary rocks. And third one, metamorphic rocks. Now, let us learn the formation of igneous rocks. The word igneous means fire. Igneous rocks are formed by solidification of hot molten material called lava. The hot material inside the earth is called magma. Magma contains minerals. Due to volcanic eruption, the hot magma starts coming out to the surface. Later, it solidifies to form rocks. Some magma solidifies just below the Earth's surface. These are called intrusive rocks, and the rocks formed on the Earth's surface due to solidification of lava are called extrusive rocks. These are the primary rocks from which most of the other rocks are formed. Some examples of igneous rocks are granite, gabbro, basalt, etc. Now, have a look at this picture. Many Hindu temples in South India are made of granite. One such example is the life-size elephant and other creatures carved in granite at Mahabalipuram, India. The second type of rocks are sedimentary rocks. Rocks can break up into smaller and smaller particles due to various agents of weathering like ice, water, and wind. These weathered particles are then transferred by the rivers, glaciers, or wind to other areas. These are piled up in layers. Over a long period of time, the upper layer pressurizes the lower layer and consolidates to form rocks. These rocks are known as sedimentary rocks. Some examples of sedimentary rocks are limestone, sandstone, and shale. Now, look at this picture. The sphinx is made of limestone. It has been eroded over the years by wind and rain. The second pic in this fossil formed from South America, built by layer upon layer of sediments. It is approximately 3.5 billion years old. The third one type of rocks are metamorphic rocks. The word metamorphosis means change of form. Under immense pressure and high temperature, the rocks change their form. These rocks are called metamorphic rocks. The example of metamorphic rocks are limestone gets converted into marble. Now, the last topic of this chapter is rock cycle. Rocks are recycled from one form to another. They form a cycle of change. The igneous rocks are formed by solidification of hot magma. The igneous rocks are weathered into pebbles and stones and further deposited by rivers and other agents of weathering. The layer by layer consolidation of sediments form sedimentary rocks. The igneous and sedimentary rocks change their form due to heat and pressure over the years. These rocks are called metamorphic rocks. Over a period of time, the rocks get buried, and due to heat and pressure, these rocks are again converted into magma. This is the end of the chapter. Hope you enjoyed it. Watch it again for better understanding. Stay home, stay healthy.